This is where many brands get their start. So it's so cool to be able to go in here, see what kind of things are available, and not only wines, but spirits and beers that are traded this way as well. So it's absolutely a great look into the back end of this business that very few people know about.
Welcome to the International Bulk Wine and Spirit Show here in San Francisco. This is the place where bulk wines and spirits, private labels, and contract bottlers gather to really bulk up their bottom lines.
This is an amazing place. It is absolutely packed in here right now. Over 100 different producers or suppliers here showcasing their wines and spirits. It's really interesting. I'm glad to be a part of it. Two things that I'm finding to be really valuable for me. The first is seeing trends in the markets, what's big right now, also what's new and emerging, getting a sense of where the market is going and how to capitalize on those trends. And then second is meeting these amazing people, meeting suppliers, meeting buyers from other companies and retailers, meeting distributors. So it's really an awesome opportunity to build your network and connections and to see what's hot and what's going on right now.
I'm here primarily to hear the speakers over the 2 days and learn more about the US market. We're currently selling a little bit of wine here in the US, and I'm interested in hearing about distribution relationships, sales channels, branding, and just any opportunities that present themselves here in the US. So it's been a great couple of days. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us at the International Bulk Wine and Spirit Show here in San Francisco. We'll be back here next year, July 23rd and 24th. I'm Lauren Kammerling. We'll see you next year.